Welcome to this exclusive webinar presented by Cloud Institute, your partner in navigating the complexities of the cloud and IT industry. Today, we shine a spotlight on one of our pivotal solutions, Project Readiness.
Are you ready for the challenges that lie ahead? In an era where cloud management underestimations are prevalent and talent shortages hinder technology adoption, ensuring your team's project readiness is more critical than ever.
Consider this. According to a report by LogicWorks, 76% of IT leadership underestimates the time and cost of cloud management.
Cloud Institute's Project Readiness solution addresses these challenges head-on, guiding enterprises through skill-building journeys, risk mitigation, and efficiency maximization.
Our project readiness process begins by validating the skills of your existing workforce. Through technology-specific, role-based, and customized assessments, we provide a detailed report identifying strengths and opportunities for improvement. Deloitte reports that over 90% of IT leaders plan to expand their modern software engineering and cloud environments. However, 80% identify inadequate employee skills as a major obstacle.
Cloud Institute steps in to bridge this gap. Through a detailed analysis of your existing workforce, we pinpoint areas limiting your organization's ability to achieve both near-term and strategic initiatives.
Create and implement customized training plans with Cloud Institute. We work closely with your organization to develop learning development plans, driving workforce readiness through assessments, coursework, coaching, and hands-on lab exercises tailored to your unique needs.
A study by Gartner reveals that executives see the talent shortage as the most significant adoption barrier to 64% of emerging technologies, compared with just 4% in 2020.
Engage in an immersive learning experience with our hands-on virtual labs, offering challenge-centric scenarios in real-world environments. With over 600 labs in standard configurations and the option to create additional labs specific to your environment, we ensure your team is well prepared.
Achieve your goals faster with ongoing coaching. Cloud Institute collaborates with your team, providing guidance, answering questions, and offering support at every step. Ongoing coaching ensures workforce optimization, preparing your team to plan, deploy, and support new projects.
But we don't stop there. Revalidate the skills of your workforce through reassessment. Using technology-specific, role-based, and customized assessments, we analyze progress.
Through extensive support, we ensure that your team is continuously evolving and meeting the demands of the ever-changing IT landscape.
Thank you for joining us on this journey to enhance your team's project readiness. Stay tuned for more insights into Cloud Institute's tailored business solutions.